Hello everyone, welcome back to TNAL, and today we got a special thing to share with all the Myvi owners out there. To all the Myvi owners out there, I believe you guys have experienced the auto start stop before. It is kind of annoying, especially when you want to park your car during parking times. So today, we're going to share you a little bit secret on how to bypass these features. Okay guys, so this is the bypass devices. So from this port, you're going to connect to your side mirror socket. And this one, you're going to plug to your auto start stop socket. Okay guys, so now we're going to show you the installation. You're going to involve this one, the auto start stop, and the side mirror. So you need to take out this cover and the socket all is inside. Yup, so this is the two cable that involve. This one for the auto start stop and this one for the side mirror. Done! Okay, right now let's test this out. See, the auto start stop auto disable already. See? So we have already successfully bypassed the auto start stop. And if you like this video, do remember to subscribe to our channel and share this video to your friend that needed to know about this. That's all for today. Bye bye.